So now we're going to look at punctuation. That would be commas if we have a list of things, apostrophes if we have something that belongs to someone, and quotation marks if we have dialogue. But I don't have any dialogue, and there's my doggy in the corner. So let me reread. I'm going to use red again because I was using red for punctuation. And let's see where we're at. We were all over my aunt's house. Wait a minute. House belongs to my aunt, so I need to put an apostrophe in here. When my dog Riley was running around like crazy, he was chasing me around in circles. All of a sudden I look and Riley was swimming in my aunt's pool. Okay, I couldn't believe my eyes that the dog was in the pool. I dashed to the pool and jumped in and swam over to Riley and pulled. There's a lot of things in that sentence. So I dashed to the pool, comma, jumped in, comma, swam over to Riley, comma, and pulled him to the steps. He got out and shook all over us like a sprinkler on a hot day. I was glad Riley was okay and that I saved him. I did notice something up here. Sorry, my dog's crawling around here. He was chasing me, and here I look. I think that should be looked. I must have missed that last time, so I'm going to underline it so I know, and I'm going to type the word looked so that I know that needs to go over here. So that looked goes over here. So I don't think I've missed anything. I think I've taken care of everything that was here. And I've done my punctuation. I'm going to read it one more time. We were all over my aunt's house when my dog Riley was running around like crazy. He was chasing me around in circles. All of a sudden, I looked and Riley was swimming in my aunt's pool. I couldn't believe my eyes. The dog was in the pool. I dashed to the pool, jumped in, swam over to Riley, and pulled him to the steps. He got out and shook all over us like a sprinkler on a hot day. I was glad Riley was okay and that I saved him. So my punctuation is now done.